Dear students, welcome to my class. So in my last video, I have discussed personal pronouns, subject pronoun and object pronoun. Also I have discussed. So today there are some exercises. One exercise is there of subject and object pronoun, in which you have to identify which one is subject pronoun and which one is object pronoun. So these all are subject pronoun and these all are object pronoun. So let me discuss the exercise. Exercise A. Identify the highlighted pronouns. See, there are two pronouns. One is subject pronoun and one is object pronoun. So for subject pronoun, I have written SP, and for object pronoun, OP. So subject pronoun always comes at the beginning, which I have already discussed, and object pronoun comes after the verb. And there are this pronoun you, it remains same in both the subject's place and object's place. And you and it, both of the pronouns remain the same in both the places. So let's discuss this. Number 1, I am a student. I is at the beginning of a sentence. So I, in the chart also it is there that I is a subject pronoun. So I is, for I have written SP. Next is, do you know her? There are two pronouns. So this one is the subject and this one is the object pronoun comes after verb. So this one is subject pronoun and this one is object pronoun. Next is, they met them yesterday. They is the subject pronoun and them is the object pronoun. Number 4, they were waiting for him. So here they is the subject pronoun and him is the object pronoun. Number 5, did she beat you in the finals? See, you belongs to both subject and object pronoun, but here in this case she is the subject pronoun because it is at the beginning, then came verb. After this comes object pronoun. After verb comes object pronoun. So this you is the object pronoun. Number 6, Tony drove us around the town. So us is an object pronoun, which I have already discussed in my last video. Number 7, can you take the dog for a walk? So this you is the subject pronoun. Number 8, the tap doesn't work. Can the plumber fix it? Plumber may one who fixes taps and other things. So here it is the object pronoun because after this is the verb, after verb comes object. Number 9, you were the best player in the team. So you is at the beginning, so it is a subject pronoun. Here we are depending on you. This is the subject and this is the object pronoun. Let's go to next exercise. In this exercise there are some mistakes for which I have written the correct ones. So you don't write from the video unless I tell you. The way I have written here, you don't write like this. Just understand what I say. Apart from that, whatever you have to write, I will already give you. So don't write anything from here. You just understand it properly. Number B, rewrite the sentences correctly. Number 1, Mahima helped they. So they always comes at the subject's place. So this is wrong. It will be them, which is an object pronoun. Mahima helped them. Next will be him comes at the object's place, so it is wrong. It will be he. He invited her. So she is a subject pronoun. Subject doesn't come after verb. So he invited her for dinner. Next is, do you want to come with me? Not I, it will be me. Number 4, us are going to the mall with they. It will be we are going to the mall with them. Because us is not a subject pronoun, so it will be we, and they is not an object pronoun, so the answer will be them which is an object pronoun. Number 5, the doctor gave he an injection. So he is a subject pronoun which will not come after the verb. After verb comes object pronoun. So the object pronoun is him. So the answer will be him. Next is Rajiv and me have baby brothers. So me is wrong. It will be Rajiv and I have baby brothers. Because this from Rajiv to me is subject. So me is not a subject pronoun. It is an object pronoun. So the answer will be I. Number 7, her is running up and down the stairs. It will be she. She is running up and down the stairs. Number 8, the teacher asked we to complete the homework quickly. It will be the teacher asked us to complete the homework quickly. Let's discuss another pronoun, that is possessive pronoun. First, let us read the sentences. There are 6 sentences and all the highlighted words are possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns means the pronouns which will tell us what belongs to whom. See here, read the sentences, pay attention to the highlighted words. These are the highlighted words. Number 1 is, this is my book, means this book is mine. So this word is indicating that this book belongs to me. So that mine is known as a possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun means the pronoun which tells us what belongs to whom. Number 2 sentence, that is your desk. That means that desk is yours. So this is a possessive pronoun. Next is, those are his dogs. Means those dogs are his. His is a possessive pronoun. Next is, those are her shoes. Those shoes are hers. That is our house. That house is ours. That is their garden. That garden is theirs. See, in all the possessive pronouns, s is added at the ending. S is there. He is already s is there. So, except mine. In order to indicate what belongs to whom, you have to add s, except for my, the possessive pronoun is mine. My is also a possessive pronoun. So this book is mine. Only this one is little different. Others you can see that for your it becomes yours. His remains the same. Her, hers, our, ours, their, theirs. So the words mine, yours, his, hers, ours and theirs tell us what belongs to whom. So the definition is, pronouns that tell us what belongs to whom are called possessive pronouns. So this is the definition. The pronouns that tell us what belongs to whom are called possessive pronouns. So for today, let's end the class here. In my next video, I shall discuss the exercises of possessive pronouns. So thank you.